functions part 6, exercise 1a. Second problem, if f r minus set of 0 to r defined by f of x equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube, then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to 0. f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to 0. Okay. Given by f of x equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Find the value of f of 1 by x. Substitute the value of x equals to 1 by x. 1 by x whole cube minus of 1 by x whole cube. 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay, 1 by x cube reciprocal x cube by 1. Okay, f of 1 by x. Therefore, f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to, what is the f of x? X cube minus 1 by x cube plus f of 1 by x, 1 by x cube minus x cube, minus x cube plus x cube, 1 by x cube, 1 by x cube equals to 0. Okay, f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to 0. Okay, right. Next one, most important, given by f of x equals to log of mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So find the value of, now find the value of f of 2x by 1 plus x square. Substitute the value of x equals to 2x by 1 plus x square. Log of 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Mod of log of mod LCM 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. Log of x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 1. Log of x plus 1 whole square by x minus 1 whole square. Mod. Okay, log of mod x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Before, write 2 log of mod x plus 1 by x minus 1, that is equals to of f of x. 2 into f of x. If a equal minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and f of a to be surjection defined by f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. Given by f of x equals to x square plus x plus 1 and f is f of a to b surjection implies f of a equal to b. Okay, f of a equal to b. First find the value of images of a. F of minus 2 whole square of minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 1 equals to 3. F of minus 1 equals to minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 1 cancel, that is equals to 1. F of 0 square plus 0 plus 1, that value equals to 1. F of 1 equals to 1 square plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. F of 2 equals to 2 square plus 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Okay na? Right. B equals to f of a. What is the images? F of minus 2 3, f of minus 1 1, f of 0 1, 3 7, 1 3 7. It is called a B. Okay, right. Which of the following injection or surjection or bijection? Justify that one. So given function given by f of x equals to 2x plus 1 by 3. So first injection, justify the injection. Let x1 comma, if x1 comma x2 is belongs to a, this implies f of x1 equals to f of x2. Justify that one. F of x1 means 2x1 plus 1 by 3 equals to 2x2 plus 1 by 3. 3 get cancel. 2x1 plus 1 equals to 2x2 plus 1 get cancel. 2x1 equals to 2x2, 2 get cancel. x1 equals to x2. Therefore f of x1 equals to f of x2. This implies x1 equals to x2. Therefore f is injection. Right. Next justify the surjection. So second one is surjection means f of x equals to 2x plus 1 by 3. Let f of x equals to y. F of x equals to y. Therefore 2x plus 1 by 3 equals to y. Simplify this one. 2x plus 1 equals to 3y. Okay. 2x equals to 3y minus 1. X equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. Okay. F of x equals to y. That means f is a surjection. Substitute the value of f of x equals to 2x plus 1 by 3. 2 into what is the x equals to 3y minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 2 get cancel. 3y minus 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 cancel. 3y by 3. 3 get cancel. Y. F of x equals to y. Therefore f is surjection. F is injection and surjection. Therefore f is a both A and B bijection. Okay. If function g equal set of 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7 and g of x equal to ax plus b, then find a and b. So a domain elements 1 2 3 4, range 1 3 5 7. Okay, given by function g is equal to set of 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7. G of x equals to ax plus b. image of 1 equals to 1. Here given by g of 1 equals to 1, equation number, this implies x equals to 1, a into 1 plus b equals to 1, a plus b equals to 1, equation number 1. And g of 2, image of 2 equals to 3, a into 2 plus b equals to 3, 2a plus b equals to 3, equation number 2. Okay na? Right, from 1 and 2 implies 2a plus b equals to 3, a plus b equals to 1. Subtract from 1 by 2, minus 2a minus a, b get cancelled, equals to 2, a equals to 2. Substitute a equals to in equation number 1, 2 plus b equals to 1, b equals to 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1, b equals to minus 1, b equals to minus 1. Right, a equal to b equals to minus 1.